So this is an unboxing video, manufacturer number 30-000419. It's made by Gerber Blades. It's your steady tripod multi-tool. Take this out here. Do have this already opened up and made easier for you to view. First I'll show you the case that's made by Gerber as well. This is a cell phone mount piece to suction to your phone, and then this piece would just screw right on here to hold that. And here we have steady usage guidelines about the cell phone mount, and then different additional information by Gerber. So you can see it does have a stand, and they just fold right up. And then all your pieces that include a fine edge blade, a serrated blade, 3 screwdrivers, a bottle opener, pliers, and wire cutters. So just go ahead and slide everything back in its place so you can see how small and compact it is. So again, it's your Gerber Steady